Hello friends, welcome to the Toppot, the pot full of top content that are available in YouTube. So today we have here a screwdriver. It's called Wowstick 1F Plus. It's from Xiaomi. It came in this nice box, so it's 69 in one. So I was using it, so I have a really good experience with it. So let's pack it out and see what's in the box. So at first we have here a screw pad. So this screw pad is in this little niche box. Okay, so it's magnetic, so it's great to use when you are working with notebooks or tablets, so you can put their screws in the right correct order, so it's very good. I use it quite often, so let's put it here. Okay, so in the box we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different boxes, some paperwork, so you can see it here. We can see it's a dual power, piano key switch, storage box, lithium-ion battery, self-locking, ratchet, etc, etc. So it has lightning, it uses standard universal bits, so I like it really much. The bits in the box, there are 56 of them, so 56 pieces. Okay, so it's very nice, so let's put it somewhere else. Okay, great. So this is in the picture. Okay, so in the smallest box we have a base. So this base is, let's say, quite heavy. I think it's about 200 grams. You can put it on the table, so it's really very nice and handy. In the second box we have accessories. We have just standard micro USB cable, so USB to the power outlet and micro USB to charge up the screwdriver. Okay, so next we have 4 boxes and 1 box with the case, so let's begin with this one. How to open it? Okay, this way. Okay, so this is a box where you can find, it's magnetic, it's quite good, and you can put there a screwdriver and 1 set of bits. Very handy also. I never used it because I have it always on my table, so let's put it here. Okay, so let's start with the bits. Okay, so this is called X1 group. Okay, so we have here nice bits, some Phillips flat head, H head with different sizes, so it's quite nice. Okay, so this is the X1. Okay, let's put it here. Great. The second box with bits is called X2. In here we have this triangular shape or three. I can't say how to call it. We have Torxes. We had Torxes with hole and also an H. So this is called X2. And the third one is called X3. X3 is also the same type of box. So here we have a square, a triangle. Okay, so that was a star in the X2, I'm sorry. So square, triangle, this is weird shape. This is some round, some Phillips, also flat and an H. So it's quite nice. In all these 3 cases you have an arrow with a open, so you can see from which side you have to open it. So you can open it this way, so you open it, you can take out a bit and you can use it, so it's quite nice. Okay, So let's put it here also. I don't know how it's how it's called this one. We call it I can't remember. I'm very sorry. Okay, and the last box is the screwdriver. So let's see it. Okay, so this is the screwdriver. It's a very nice shape. It fits in the hand very good. There's a writing, dual power mix, precision screwdriver, Wowstick, and also it has a lighting diode, so you can you can light up your working space. The screwdriver is about, I think it's not so heavy as this stand, so it's about, I don't know, maybe 100 grams. It has just one speed. The head can turn in two directions, so if you press it, the button has two choices. So if you press the first one, it's turning in one direction, and if you press the other one, it's turning in the other direction. The light is quite usable, so if you are working in the environment where you don't have a good light, it can be used, let's say, quite good. The screwdriver, I have it on my table. I'm working with it, let's say, maybe 3 times a week, or maybe 3 to 4 times a week. I am working currently with mobile phones and tablets, so this is my main usage of this screwdriver. The great thing is that I never had any problems with unscrewing any screw, so it's quite powerful, and it can release any screw also with a thread lock. So if you have some phones with a thread lock, maybe I tried sometime a bigger screw. In this case, the motor in the screwdriver was not powerful enough, so I can turn it, and it's locked. So in this position, if you can see, okay, let's take one bit, for example this one. So this bit, let's say, it's quite big. Oh, I'm sorry, it's quite big. So with this bit you can disassemble bigger electronics, and if it's not possible to release it with the button or with the electric screwdriver, you can just turn it this way and you can release it and then push the button and the screw comes out. So it's quite handy. As I'm using it, let's say 3 or 4 times a week, uh, the charging, I can say I charge it maybe once a month. I can say maybe once a month. So here is a charging port. This charging port is micro USB. There's also a hole, a tiny hole, in which you have a blue LED. With this LED you can see if the device is charging, and when it's fully charged you can the diode, the LED diode turns off, so you know when the device is already charged. As I saw in some pictures in the internet, I think it uses N20 motor with a set of gears, so the gear ratio is quite high, so I can say it's quite powerful. This holder is also very good. If you put it in the holder, it stands there with any problem, so you can leave it there and it will not fall off, because also in the bottom side it has a rubber, uh, it has a rubber, and the rubber is very good, so you can put it in the table. Okay, so let's see if we can put it in the box. Okay, so you have to put it in the box without a bit, because you can't put it there with a bit. So if you would like to travel with it, you can choose which set of bits you will take with you. So maybe the X1. I think the X1 is okay. Maybe the X2 is the much universal. So it has H screws, Torxes with holes, and also this star-shaped bit. So you can put it there. You can close the box, and it's okay. It holds quite well, so there's no problem. You can carry it in your bag and or backpack, and it looks like you will not lose it in your, or it will not open in your backpack, so you can use it very nicely. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. If you like my channel and my video, please give a thumbs up. Oh, this way. And hit the subscribe button and also the bell button so you never miss any video from the Toppot, the pot full of top videos in the YouTube. Goodbye.